All praises to the Most High. God is the greatest. Hey folks, this is Wesley, the $1 billion virgin. I'm here under the bridge here, serving the people. Okay, remember, service leads to greatness. Here, it's a beautiful day in Houston, Texas, and you see all these beautiful people out here. I'm making a contribution, and let me show you something here. I want everybody to pay attention here. It's a blessing once again. To be a blessing, my friends, as well. We out here. Man, I hope I have enough, actually. I didn't know it was going to be that many people out here. But, it's just a blessing to be out here, to be able to contribute to these beautiful people. I've been doing this for like 4 years here. And this is what I would like everybody that's listening to this video right now to understand that, if you want more, okay? See that beautiful vehicle right there? If you want more, serve more. I want everybody to comment those words below real quickly. You're welcome, sweetheart. I love your hair.
Thank you.
Absolutely. If you want more, pay attention here. You got to serve more, okay? And hey, appreciate you as well. What's up, Skinny Kenny? What's up, baby? How you feeling? You feeling better? You're looking good, brother. This is really important for my men and women, teenagers here. You can serve whatever level you are right now. It doesn't matter. You don't have to do what I'm doing here, but go out there and serve, because service. Oh, Jesus. Hold on real quick. Service correlates. What's up, man? How you doing? Service correlates as it relates to the amount of money that you're going to earn, okay? You got to help more people, period. Don't look at that. Look at the amount of people that I'm serving. And my plan is to serve over 20,000 people per week, and I will do it because I get what I want. And whatever, it's going to sound comical, but whatever I put my mind to, it happens for me. But I just wanted to show you guys this. I love you so much. I appreciate you. I challenge. Look, listen here. Hold on, let me turn this camera around. Listen here. I challenge every single one of you to go out and serve somebody. One person. Okay? It doesn't have to be under the bridge. Go out in the universe and make one person's life better. I dare you. I just dare you. For one moment, I want you to disconnect from your problems, disconnect from what's bothering you, and go service other people. Much love. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Let's go.